Introduce a dash of fairground thrill into the living room with the click-and-play set of 2 remote-control bumper cars. Fasten your seatbelts for high-octane fun with these futuristic remote-control bumper cars. Within this thrilling set, 2 vibrant bumper cars in red and green await. Each car features a wireless remote controller for seamless control, guaranteed hours of competitive enjoyment. With unique frequencies for each bumper car, race a friend without any interference. Prepare for interactive excitement as you challenge your opponent in a bumper duel to victory. Experience the joy of ejection as riders are launched from the car on impact. Dual joysticks on each remote provide full control, ensuring precise navigation. A perfect gift for kids, the click-and-play remote control bumper cars made from top-quality non-toxic materials meet USA safety regulations. Powered by batteries, these bumper cars are portable and easy to set up, promising the thrill of bumper car action anywhere. Embrace the race, feel the bump, and claim the win with the click-and-play set of 2 remote-control bumper cars, the ultimate adrenaline-charged toy.